Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a plugin for having diamonds or crystals with runtime reflection in Unity. Okay, we should come over here. Soromi released this repository 4 years ago. Uh, in here, I will share this link in the description of this video. You just need to download the whole project zip file, and after that, import the assets folder into your projects folder. After that, you should come over here. It has HDRI. It works with URP and also post processing effect. You should have those package into your in your project. Okay, you should come over here and gems here. Look at this. It is the sample scene. Here we have the gems objects. As we can see, they are invisible in whenever we are stopped. And here we have nothing except the object which has gem object script and also shader gem shader. Here, look at this. It is the reflection of the camera. And now I play the scene. Look at this. It is truly beautiful. It is really, really beautiful and realistic. You can use this package for having real diamonds or crystals. Look at this guy. It's beautiful into your game. Okay. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.